Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important, something that stops many people from speaking English fluently. If you feel stuck, if you feel nervous, if you think, I know English but I cannot speak, then this video is for you. I will share with you a complete roadmap, a simple roadmap, a roadmap that really works. So, let's begin. First, let me ask you a question. Why do you feel stuck in English speaking? The answer is simple. You are thinking too much about grammar. You are worried about mistakes. You are afraid people will laugh at you. But let me tell you something important. When you were a baby, did you learn grammar first? No. You listened, you copied, you made mistakes, and slowly you started speaking. Language learning is natural. It is not about rules. It is about practice. So today, I will show you the right way, the natural way, the way that helps you speak English like a pro. Are you ready? Let's go. Step 1. Forget grammar. Step number 1, and this is very important, forget grammar. I know this sounds strange, but listen carefully. Grammar is important, yes, but not in the beginning, not when you are learning to speak. When you focus too much on was or were, and is or are, will or shall, your brain gets confused, and confusion kills fluency. Think about it. Do you think about grammar when you speak your mother tongue? No, you just speak. Grammar will come later, naturally, when you listen more, when you read more. So please, do not worry about perfect sentences. Do not worry about tenses. Just focus on speaking. Focus on expressing your ideas. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are how we learn. Remember this. Forget grammar for now. Step number 2. Understand how language works. There are 4 skills in any language: listening, writing, reading, speaking. These 4 skills work together. They help each other. But here is the secret. There is an order, a natural order. First comes listening, then comes reading, then comes speaking, and finally, writing. This is how babies learn. This is how we all learned our first language. From parents, from environment, then slowly words came. But in school, what did they teach us? Grammar first, writing first, speaking last. That is why we feel stuck. So now we will follow the natural order, the right order, and I promise you it will change everything. Step 3. Listening is where everything begins. Step number 3, and this is the most important step. Listening is where everything begins. If you want to speak English fluently, you must listen to English every day. Listen to English podcasts. Listen to English audiobooks. Listen to English YouTube videos. Listen to English stories. Listen to English interviews. But listen carefully. Listen to simple English. And this is not even a long process. Just in 2 to 3 weeks, your brain start understanding patterns. Do not listen to fast English. Do not listen to difficult English. Start with simple, slow, clear English. When you listen, your brain learns pronunciation. Your brain learns sentence structure. Your brain learns how native speakers talk. This is called input, and input is the foundation of speaking. So make listening a habit. Every day, listen for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This one habit will change your English forever. Step number 4. Reading without pressure. Now, you might think reading is boring, but it is not. Not if you read the right things. Read graded readers. These are special books, books written in simple English, books made for learners like you. Read small books, stories like children. Read articles. Read things you enjoy.
Do not use a dictionary for every word. Just read. Enjoy the story. Understand the main idea. When you read, you see how sentences are made. You learn new words naturally. You understand grammar without studying it. Reading is like silent listening. It is peaceful, it is relaxing, and it helps you speak better. So find something interesting and start reading today. Step number 5. Speak from day 1. And please listen to this carefully. Start speaking from day 1. Many people say, I will speak when I am ready. I will speak when my English is perfect. I will start speaking after vocabulary, after grammar. No, this is wrong. You learn to speak by speaking, not by waiting. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Talk about your feelings. Talk about what you see around you. Use simple sentences, very simple, like I am happy today, or the weather is nice, or I like this song, or I am on the road, I am in my car. It does not matter if nobody is listening. You are training your mouth. You are training your brain. Speaking is a skill, and skills improve with practice. So do not wait. Start speaking today, right now. Step number 6. From sentences to paragraphs. Once sentences feel easier, once you feel more confident, then take the next step. Start talking in paragraphs. For example, do not just say, I went to the market. Say, yesterday I went to the market. I bought some vegetables. The weather was nice. I met my friend there. We talked for a few minutes. See the difference? You are connecting ideas. You are building stories. This is how you become fluent. This is how you sound natural. Practice this every day. Make it a habit. Step number 7, the final step. Start thinking in English. This is the secret of fluency. This is what makes you speak without hesitation. When you think in your mother tongue, then translate to English, it takes time. It feels difficult. But when you think directly in English, speaking becomes automatic. It becomes natural. So how do you do this? Simple. Start small. Think about your daily activities in English. I am drinking water. I need to go to work. What should I eat today? Do this every day. Make English a part of your thoughts. At first, it will feel strange, but slowly it will become normal. And that is when you become truly fluent. So, my dear friends, this is your complete roadmap. 7 simple steps, 7 powerful steps. Forget grammar. Understand how language works. Listen every day. Read without pressure. Speak from day 1. Build paragraphs. Think in English. Follow these steps. Be patient. Be consistent. And I promise you, your English will improve. You will speak with confidence. You will speak like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Take care and keep learning. See you in the next video. Goodbye.